Here we have some activity from Ben on the bed. He's been rolling around this morning, doing some push-ups, getting up on his hands and knees and rocking a little bit. Let's see what we can get on tape. Oh, there he goes. He's been practicing that one for a little bit. Some baby push-ups. Oh, he's starting to get tired. He's starting to get tired, Ben. Are you getting tired, buddy? You've been working so hard that you're tired. Let's check out the hair situation. It's got a lot going on now. What do you say, Benjamin? And say hi to Duncan. Hi, Duncan. We'll see you at school. That's secret baby code for I'll see you at school, Duncan. All right. Time for a nap.